Okay, so here first thing is, so what is given in this question? Here if f is equals to 1 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma minus 1, then find 2f, 2 plus f, f square and root f. This is the question here. So what is given? Given that a function is given f is equals to 1 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma minus 1. This is the question here. Okay, this model is very important. We may get this type of questions for either for 2 marks or for 7 marks. Okay, so now first question is 2f. 2f is equals to 2 into f. So whatever we are multiplying, whatever the operation we are applying, always remember apply on the second number. Apply on the second number. Okay, so that means here what we have 1 comma 2 is there. 1 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 3. Okay, and 3 comma minus 1. I written as it is. Now whatever the operation we have, 2f multiply by 2 on the second number. Okay, multiply by 2. 2f is nothing but we are multiplying the range value. Okay, now simplify. Just simplify. Okay, that is equals to 1 comma 2 to the 4, 1 comma 4 and 2 comma minus 6, 2 comma minus 6 and 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma minus 2. First one is done. And next the second one. Second one is 2 plus f. 2 plus f. The same thing we have to do. Okay, so just I am writing the numbers as usually. Okay, 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma minus 1. Okay, already I told you whatever the operation we have to apply on the second number. Okay, means 2 plus f. For f number, for second number add 2. Okay, adding 2 plus 2 here and plus 2 here, plus 2 minus 1. Now simplify. Now simplify. This is equals to 1 comma 2 plus 2 is 4 and 2 comma 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and 3 comma 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. That's it. Very simple. Now if you take the third one, what is third one? Third one is f square. Third one is f square. Okay, so here also, okay, so we have to apply the operation on second number only. We have to apply the operation on second number only. So that means, so I am writing the numbers as usually. So whatever the operation we have, square. Okay, apply on the second number. Okay, square the second number. Okay, here square the second number. Here square the second number. Square the second number. Okay, so now this is equals to 1 comma 2 square is 4. 1 comma 2 square 4. 2 comma minus 3 whole square is 9 and 3 comma minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Okay, this is the required f square value. Now the last one. Okay, root f. The fourth one is we have to find root f. Root f means take the root on the second number again. Okay, 1 comma, just I am writing as this 1 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. Okay, so here whatever the operation we have, write the, okay, so take the operation on second number. Okay, so now I am taking the root for second number. Okay, after taking the root, one substitute carefully. So here root minus 3, root minus 1 does not exist. Okay, under root of minus 3 comma root of minus 1. Root of minus 1 does not exist. Does not exist. Inside root, okay, when we have negative value, we can't simplify that. Okay, again afterwards we have the complex number, but in the real number system, it does not exist. Okay, so now the answer for this root f is equals to, okay, root f is equals to 1 comma root 2. And what about the other?
Does not exist.
Yes. What about the others? Does not exist. So this is the final answer. This is only the final answer. Understood? Next,
Yes.
if a is equals
Yes,
to
sir, understood.
1 minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 1, then show that a cube minus 3a square minus a minus 3i is equals to 0. From matrices, we are going to get 3 LQs. In the 3 LQs, this model question we get one, and one question from Cramer's method, one question from the matrix inversion method. These are compulsory. Okay. So now solution. What is given? So you write the given matrix, that is 1 minus 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, and 3 minus 1 and 1. 3 minus 1 and 1. Okay. So here we have identity matrix, we know A matrix, we don't know A square matrix and A cube matrix. Find A square and A cube. Okay, I am finding A square. How do we get A square value? A square is nothing but A into A. A into A. So that means 1 minus 2, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 1 minus 1. 0, 1 minus 1 and 3 minus 1 and 1. 3 minus 1 and 1. Okay, this is the matrix here. So I am multiplying with the same matrix again. So 1 minus 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, and 3 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 1. Already we discussed how do we multiply. We multiply the rows with the columns. Multiply the rows with columns. Means first matrix row we multiply with the second matrix first column, second column, and third column. So matrix row we multiply with the first column, second column, third column. Okay. So now if we multiply, so what we get here? So this is equal to this is equal to, okay. So 1 into 1, that is 1. Okay, shall we write directly or one more step? Okay, so here 1 into 1 minus 2 into 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 3. Okay, so first row with second column, that means 1 into minus 2 minus 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. First row with third column, that means 1 into 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1. First row with first column completed, second column, third column. Now take the second row. Now taking the second row. If we take the second row, this second row with first column, second column, third column. Okay, so if we take the second row, so then what we get? Okay, so second row 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 into 3. Second row with second column. That means 0 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1, 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1. Second row with second column, third column, 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1. Okay. Now third row 3 into 1 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 3. 1 into 3. Now 3 into minus 2 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. Now third row with third column, 3 into 1, 3 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1 and plus 1 into 1. Okay, so just we'll simplify the values. Okay, so here what we get, this is just a square value. Okay, just a square value. Here 1 minus 0 plus 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1, and here 1 and the minus plus 2 and plus 1. Okay, so next both are zeros, 0 and 0 and minus 3. Okay, next here 0 plus 1 plus 1. Next 0 minus 1 minus 1. Next 3 minus 0 plus 3 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 1 and 3 plus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1. So what is a square here? 1 plus 3 is 4 and minus 5 and 5. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Okay, and the minus 3 here and 2 and minus 2 and 3 plus 3 6, and here it is minus 8 and 6 plus 1 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, this is a square value. This is a square value. We want a cube also. We want a cube also. Okay, so here a cube is nothing but how do we get a cube? We have to multiply a square matrix with a matrix. A square matrix with a matrix. Just now we got the a square matrix. Okay, so right here itself a square matrix into a matrix. A square matrix is here. Okay, what is a square matrix? 4 minus 5, 4. Okay, so here a cube matrix is equals to a square matrix into a, that is 4 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 5, 4.
Minus 3 to
Yes, minus 3 to
minus 2.
4 minus 5, 4. Minus 3 minus 2 and 6 minus 8, 5. 6 minus 8, 5. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So next we want a also. A means 1 minus 2, 1. Okay. So do you have 1 minus 2, 1? Remaining elements 0, 1 minus 1.
1 minus 1.
Okay.
3 minus 1, 1.
3 minus 1 and 1. 3 minus 1 and 1. Okay. So we are multiplying a and a square. Okay. How do we multiply? Okay. Similarly. Okay. So whatever we did already. Okay. First row with first column and second column and then third column. Okay. So multiply like that only. If you multiply like that, so what we get here? Okay. So now this is equals to 4 into 1, that is 4, and minus 5 into 0 is 0, and 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. First row with second column, 4 2s are 8 minus 5, and 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. Okay. So and afterwards, 4 1s are 4. Minus 5 into minus 1, it is minus 5 into minus 1
Then
is
it is
5.
minus 8. No?
Yes, 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Good. Minus 8 and minus 5 and minus 4. Yes. Okay. Yes. Good. Ayavatan. And 4 and plus 5 and 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Next, take the second row. Second row with first column, second column, third column. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3. 2 into 0, 0. Minus 2 3 is 6. Okay. Next, minus 3 into minus 2, that is plus 6. And 2 ones are 2, minus into minus plus 2. Okay. Next, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 and minus 2 and minus 2. Okay. Next, take the third row. Third row is 6 1 is 6 minus 0 and 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15. Okay. So next, second row with third row with second column. 6 2 is 12 minus 12 and minus 8 minus 5. Okay. Next, third row with third column. Okay. 6 1 is 6 and minus into minus plus 8. 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5. Okay. So that means what we get here? 4 and 12. What is 4 plus 12? That is 16. 16. Next number here. Next, minus 13 minus 17. Minus 17 and then here 9 and 13. Next, minus 9. Okay. Tell me next one. Okay. 8 10. This is minus 5 minus 7. Next, here 15 plus 6 is 21 and okay, minus 25 minus 25 and next number is okay, so 6 plus 8. Okay, so that is 14 plus 5, 90. It is 90. This is a cube. So what he is asking now, take that whatever he is asking. So the a cube minus 3a square, a cube minus 3a square. So take the, okay, so LHS here. So I am taking the LHS. LHS is equals to a cube minus 3a square, a cube minus 3a square. Okay, afterwards minus a minus 3i. Okay, minus a minus 3i. This is a cube value. Is 16 minus 17 and 13 and minus 9 and 10 and minus 7. Next 21 minus 25. Okay, and 19. This is a cube minus 3a square. 3 into a square value. This is only a square value. Okay, so 4 minus 5, 4 minus 3, 2 minus 1 and 6 minus 8 and 5.
So
Okay.
minus 2, sir, in second row. Yes, that one.
Yes. Okay, yes, good. Okay, next minus 3a square minus a. A is nothing but this is a matrix, right? 1 minus 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 1, and minus 3i. Okay, 3 into I. I is identity matrix. Identity matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Principal diagonal elements are 1 equal to 1, remaining 0. Okay, so now this is equals to 16 minus 17, 13 minus 9. Okay, and 10 minus 7, 21 minus 25, and 19. And 19. So this is the AQ value minus 3a square. Multiply all the numbers by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are minus 6, and 3 6 are 18. Okay, and 3 8s are minus here 3 8s are 24 minus 24, and 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay, so 3 5s are 15. Okay. Next, minus the remaining is as is 1 minus 2 1 and the 0 1. Okay, 0 1 minus 1 and the 3 minus 1 1. Okay, so just I written as is. Okay, so next step multiply by 3 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Okay, so after that we have addition and subtraction. Just add and subtract the corresponding elements. Add and subtract the corresponding elements. Okay, so that is nothing but so what we get here, so 16 minus 12, 16, this is equals to plus 16, 16 minus 12 minus 1 minus 3. Next one is minus 17, 17 minus to minus plus 15. Okay, minus to minus plus 2 minus 0. Next 13 minus 12 minus 1 plus 0 or minus 0. Next one is minus 9 minus to minus plus 9 minus 0 minus 0. And here next one is 10 minus 6 minus 1. Okay, and minus 3. Okay, next here we are adding these corresponding elements. Okay, if you add those corresponding elements, that is minus 3, minus 7, minus to minus plus 6, and plus 1 and minus 0. Next, last row, first element 21 and minus 18 minus 3 minus 0. Okay, next element minus 25. Tell me first. Plus 24 plus 1 plus 0 or minus 0.
Minus 0.
Okay, so next here 19 minus 15 minus 1 minus 3 minus 3. Okay, so now check the elements here. 16 and minus 12 minus 13 minus 16, minus 16 plus 16. So finally we are getting 0. And here 15 plus 2 17 and minus 17. Minus we are getting minus 17 plus 17. Okay, here plus 13 and minus 13. Plus 13 and minus 13. Okay, here plus 9 and minus 9. 9 directly we can cancel. We get 0 here. Minus 7 minus 10 plus 10 minus 10. Are we getting the same? Minus 7 plus 7. Okay, so here 21 directly you can write or take one step extra. So maximum in the exam, try to take the step by step. Okay. So otherwise, if you get any mistake, it is very difficult for find out the mistake here. Or minus 19 plus 90. All the terms are same, so opposite sign. So we can cancel all the terms. So we get zeros. All are zeros. All are zeros. All are the zeros means it is a null matrix. It is equals to the RHS, right? This is equals to null matrix, which is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. Understood? Okay, so this is the required solution. This is the required solution. Okay, so if we go to the next question, here by using the Cramer's rule, solve x plus y plus z is equals to 1, 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 6, x plus 4y plus 9z is equals to 3. So we are going to use the Cramer's rule here. So Cramer's rule. So here I am solving now. I am solving the given equation. First, write the given equations. Are they in the matrix standard form or not? Equal to constant. Yes, all the equations are in the form of equal to standard. Okay, so given equation. Given equation. Okay, I am taking the given equations. X plus y plus z is equals to 1 and 2x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6 and x plus 4y plus 9z is equals to 3. Okay, equation 1, 2, 3 we are going to solve by using the matrix Cramer's method. Very important, very easy. Okay, very important and very easy. So we are writing in the matrix form now. Okay, how to write in the matrix form? How to write in the matrix form? Okay, so we are writing in the matrix form. So writing in the matrix form. Writing in matrix form. So what is matrix form? A into x is equals to D or B. We can write anything. So Ax is equals to D is the matrix form. A, what is A matrix? Coefficients, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient of equation 1. Take the equation to x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient. That means 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. And x, y, z coefficients of equation 3, 1 and 4 and 9. X, y, z coefficients. Okay. So this is A matrix and X is nothing but X matrix, that is X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z is the X matrix and D is a constant matrix 1, 6, 3. Okay, write this 1, 6, 3. So by comparing with Ax is equals to D. By comparing with Ax is equals to D, what is A, what is B, what is okay, so what is A here? Okay, A is equals to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. This is the A matrix. This is the A matrix. And what is the X matrix here? X matrix is X, Y, Z matrix. And what is the D matrix here? So D is nothing but 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 3. Okay. So we got the by comparing. Okay. By comparing with Ax is equals to D. By comparing with Ax is equals to D. Okay, so we got A, X and D. Now take the A matrix here. So 1, 1, finding the determinant. Finding the determinant. So if we find the determinant of this matrix here. Okay. So determinant of A is nothing but, okay, so what are the elements here? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2, 3. Okay, afterwards 1, 4, 9 and 1, 4, 9. Okay, 1, 4, 9. Find the determinant. How do we find the determinant, ma? So this is equals to close the first row and first column, expanding along the first row. Okay, so take the remaining elements, that is 2, 3, 4, 9. Only Cramer's method is very, very easy. So only the reason, what is the reason why Cramer's method is very, very important? The reason is, okay, we have only determinant part in this, only finding the determinant part. That's it. Okay, remaining are, okay, very easy, only simplification part. Okay, whenever we take this. Okay, so next element is we take extra minus, okay, minus 1 into, okay, so then 2 3 1 9, 2 3 1 9, okay, afterwards plus 1 into, plus 1 into, close the row and column, so close the third column here, that is 2 2 1 4, 2 2 1 4. Now simplify here, now simplify. Okay, so if we simplify, what we get, this is equal to, how do we multiply, how do we simplify? Okay, so we simplify it like this, AD minus BC, 2 into 9 minus 4, 3 into 4, 2 into 9 minus 3 into 1, 2 into 4 minus 2 into 1, like that. So we simplify. Okay, so now this is equals to 1 into 2 into 9 minus 3 into 4. Okay, so minus 1 into 2 into 9 minus 3 into 1. Okay, do it carefully. This step is, take this step, ma. So don't write directly. Okay, so we may get the plus or minus mistakes in this step if you write directly. So better to write one step extra. 2 9s 18 minus 3 4 12. Okay, minus 1 into 2 9s 18 minus 3 plus 1 into 2 4 8 minus 2. Okay, so then what we get here? Okay, 18 minus 12. What is 18 minus 12, ma? 6. Okay, so minus 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 into minus 1 is minus 15. And 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, 6 1 is 6 only. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 minus 15. 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Is it equal to 0 or not? Just to check this. This is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, inverse method, Cramer's method, both the methods exist. Otherwise, just write it here. Okay, here it does not exist by Cramer's method, does not exist by inversion method. We have only one problem in this model. Mostly we get the questions whatever are solved. Okay, so that means not equal 0 problems only we get mostly. Okay, after this, okay, we have to find okay, delta 1. This is delta value, this is delta. Delta value we write it as delta. Delta value we write it as delta. Now we are finding the delta 1. What is delta 1? Delta 1 is nothing but very simple. Okay, so second row and second column and third column as is. No change in the second column and third column. Delta 1 means we change the first column. Delta 2 means we change the second column. Delta 3 means we change only the third column. Okay, so what we replace in place of that column, we replace with 163. 163 D matrix. We are going to replace with D matrix 163. Okay, so here I am replacing 163 in place of the first column. 163. This is D matrix. Now simplify again. Same. Apply the same operation here. This is equals to. This is equals to. Okay, so I am expanding along the first row. So 1 into. Okay, so 2 3 2 3 4 9. 2 3 4 9 minus 1 into. Minus 1 into. Okay, so if we take this next one, so that means, okay, so closing this column, that is 6 3 6 3 3 9 6 3 3 9 plus 1 into. Okay, close the third column. Okay, if we close the third column, so then what we get? Okay, if I am closing third column, that is 6 2 3 4 6 2 3 4. Okay, so now expand. By expanding again, how do we simplify? Already you know that, right? Okay, so 2 into 9 minus 3 into 4, 6 into 9 minus 3 into 9, 6 into 4 minus 2 into 3, like that only. Okay, so if we simplify here, we get that this is equals to 1 into 2 into 9 minus 3 into 4. Okay, minus 1 into 6 into 9 minus 3 into 3. Okay, plus 1 into 6 into 4, 6 into 4 minus 2 into 3. Okay, so now this is equals to 1 into 2 9s 18 minus 3 4s 12 minus 1 into 6 9s. Okay, how much it is? 54. Okay, minus 3 3s 9 plus 1 into 6 4s 24 minus 6. Okay, this is equals to 18 minus 12. How much more? So 18 minus 12 is 6 minus 54 minus 9. Okay, it is 45 and we have minus outside, so minus 45. And 24 minus 6. Okay, so this is 18 plus 18. So a plus 18 plus 6, that is plus 24. Minus 25 plus 24. Minus 45 plus 24. Minus 45 plus 24. Okay, so how much we get? Minus 21. Minus 21. This is delta 1 value. This is delta 1 value. After finding this delta 1 value, now we have to find the delta 2 also. Have to find the delta 2 also. Okay, how to find the delta 2 value here? Okay, so it is very simple. So delta 2 is equals to delta 2 is equals to, so in the middle way change. Okay, first column, third column as is. So no change in the first column and third column of, okay, so A matrix 1 2 1 1 3 9 as is 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 3 9. Okay, so as is, and the in place of the second column 1 6 3, that is D matrix, we are going to write here. We are going to write 1 6 9 D matrix in the second column. Now expand here. Okay, if you expand by using the same here, 1 into, okay, so I am, okay, so taking the direct step, little bit direct step. Okay, try to understand. 1 into, okay, 6 9s are 54 minus 3 9s are 27. Okay, minus 1 into, okay, so close the second column. Now we close the second column, so what we get here? 2 9s are 18, 18 minus 3 1s are 3. Okay, so next I am taking the third column here, so closing the third column. Okay, 2 9s are 18 minus 6 1s are 6. Okay, plus 1 into 2 9s are 18 minus 6. Okay, so this is equals to, okay, so this is equals to what we get here. This is nothing but 1 into 54 minus 27. Okay, so that is 27 minus 18 minus 3 is 15. Okay, so and 18 minus 6, 18 minus 6 is 12. Okay, 27 minus 27, 27 minus 27, right? So we are getting 0 here. We are getting 0 here.
Sir, D
Yeah.
matrix is 163.
Oh, wait. It's 163. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, 163. I will written that. So we get different answer. Okay, so here D matrix is 163. So now this is, if you simplify, so 1 into, so 6 9s are 54 minus 3 3 is 9. Okay, minus 1 into, minus 1 into 2 9s are 18 minus 3, 18 minus 3, plus 1 into 1 into 2 3 is 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6. This is equals to 54 minus 9, that is 45. Okay, and 16 minus 3 is 18 minus 3 is 15, minus 15 and 0. This means we are getting 30. We are getting 30 here. Okay, and find the delta 3 also. Delta 3 is nothing but first column as it is, and okay, last column we change. So what about the second column? Second column 1 2 4 as is. Second column 1 2 4 as is. We change the third column. Third column is 163. 163. Okay, so now if I simplify here, so 1 into 2 3 is 6 minus 6 4 is 24 minus 1 into, okay, so 2 3 is 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6 plus 1 into, close the row and column, 2 4 is 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2. Okay, this is equals to 1 into